Ano ba?
Look at my recipe. Hi
Sige
guys.
daw, guys.
Bilog na bilog siya guys. And I'm proud of it. I am future.
Kita ko na kumain.
Sige, kaya mo yan. Go, kaya mo yan. Yeah.
So yun guys, this is my final look. Look at that. Oh my god, future negra. Okay guys.
Tapos na?
No. Yeah,
What's that?
This creamy.
butter.
Butter?
Yes.
La.
Yan. First time magluto si Tamad.
Pasuin talaga kita. So yun guys, may daga dito.
Ito, daga
Ako nga hindi nakakain eh, kahit takam na ako eh.